Sure, guys, we come back to speaker now. I'm still your boy Taylor DJ. So today's we're in a review entsha from ingoma entsha ephumile from uSimamane. So it is a discracky and udiscracky lena udisa wonke ama-underground le kade eqalile eloke emphoka la uSimamane, because there's a beef ekhona between ama-underground rappers noSimamane noTony Diane. So ama-members lawa amaqwelazo wonke abhifa noSimamane, even nayo-ke le genge le angazi ukuthi ibizwa ngani crew yabo lo, because ama-2K la music wabo ngi-understand, but-ke I think uKillBread beno Jay Katana ibona-ke laba ukuyibona ngathi babonakala kule crew le underground. So bakhipha ama-diss track badisa uSimamane, and then uSimamane wabanikeza i-response, because kade-ke lubele uyifuna-ke i-attention, ubanikile i-attention, and ingoma yakhe I think i-receive kahle i-community ye-hip hop, because bekakhipha qala unyaka uSimamane laphana, and i-mixtape eyikhiphile or LCEP abantu abaningi abayifilanga, because uke wathi ukuthula isikhathi eside, because after album yakhe lana eyi-20 yayiphume ngo-2020, I think it was end of 2024. So last year ayikho ingoma akayikhiphilo eyakhe yedwa, but uke waba ufeature le ngoma yade yenzeni ne-CC Soft. So I think iyona last year emenze yambeka ematheni, but abantu abaningi bethi no, uSimamane overhype, akanalo i-talent and stuff. Abanye bathi overrated, baningi nje abantu ade bekhomenta, and nale mixtape ayikhiphe ngoJanuary bakhona abantu aba-aggressive, like abantu abafana nabo Sol Phenduka wayesho naye enye i-comment unnecessary, because I feel like uSimamane under pressure for izinto ezi-unnecessary, because abantu abaningi balindele into eningi, and usafika ku-game une-album eyodwa, and lo muntu I think una-22 this year. So I think i-pressure le abamnikeza wona i-too much-ke, but-ke laba abafana abancane I think ubadaste bonke kula discrack yabo, ubabeke endaweni yabo, ubashaye nje ngedust, and ubakhombisile ukuthi akakwazi ukurapper kuphela, uyakwazi ukwenza ingoma, because ingoma akayenzile it's not just a discrack, ivela aba hit song, because within a day yalala inawo 100k wama-views laphana, and yadlala ke radweni-ke. Ingoma eningi zalabafana laba abafana nabo KillBread benabo Jay Katana zinawo ama-numbers ku-SoundCloud, and zinawo ama-numbers ku-YouTube, but into abangenayo abanayo ingoma edlala eradweni. So basically ama-hit song abanawo, because ingoma zabe eningi zama-dirty version, azikho ingoma zabe clean. So I think yona difference ekhona between bona noSimamane laphana, even nezinto abasho-ke mawuchaza ngibalalela, because ngeke ngazama ukulalela uKillBread after interview yakhe lati yenzile laphana ku-Spreading Rumours, and ingoma zakhe ziningi, unama-projects amaningi, but ingoma zakhe ngiyi-understand, like akekho that clear, like wenza lo music lo obizwa i-mumble rap yabo. I think abantu aba-international ababig kakhulu lo music wabo is like uYoung Boy lo or NL Chopper, labo nje abenza lo mumble rap. uLil Durk uyawenza na, but I think uDurk uthe uba musical kakhulu. So I think uSimamane kulelo side-ke uyakrapha, uyawenza music, but sikhona lezi ngoma epholile, sikhona lezi ngoma efana noValo, ingoma ezenza isense, ingoma understandwa majority abantu abaningi abase South Africa. So I think uSimamane i-difference yakhe lapho ekubona ukuthi no, that's why mhlawumbe esayine under record label, but-ke still bamdisa ngalokho ukuthi usayinile, because bona abantu ba-independent, but in a long run angazi ukuthi kuzobabeka lokho. But ngiyithandile interview yalo yaKillBread lapha, and I think une-personality ensoyempu, maybe ikhona something ekhona again of music wakhe angikho sure ngaye-ke. Lo munye uJay Katana khona i-discrack akayikhiphile after la Simamane le aka-rapper khona ku-beat le ka-AKA i-Composure laphana. I think leyo iyihlazo kakhulu laphana, urap into engekho-ke laphana, ngathi i-rap yase-primary school-ke laphana. So I think nje leyo nje bekumele bemkhuze ngayi-release leyo ngoma, because i-work ngale ndlela. But-ke nje for uSimamane I think le pressure mhlawumbe akayithola from lezi ntwana lezi underground mhlawumbe izomthatha imbuyise ku-game, ebuyele kuleya point yakhe esafela lapha nesakhipho check, because I feel like angathi last year urelaxe kakhulu. Ngenze ube akuyona ifault yakhe i-record label, because usanda under i-record label ebhede ngale ndlela, igama ine-drama, wonke umuntu osanda lapha une-story sakhona, ayikwazi ukuphusha abantu, even ingakusayina. Once wakhipha i-album abashuta ne-music video lakhe, I think the biggest thing abayenza uSimamane bemrekhodisa i-video leyana i-Dangerous la irekhode eCape Town no-Rick Ross, nakhona babe-eda ivesi la Rick Ross from ingoma esikhona vele. Mhlawumbe kuba bangamnikeza i-feature e-international nomuntu abangazi benza ingoma nawo before, bengavele bemthathe bemfake kwingoma existayo, because lethu abantu abaningi bengayenakala leya ngoma, because i-Dangerous already bese siyazi, because ibikhona ku-album le yade iphumile i-20. So I think nje igama i-record label ebhede ngale from i-discrack le ngizwe lana i-ransom leya kaSimamane, I think one of the top diss track esakusawenza la eMzansi. I think masibala mhlawumbe kule eyafana nale eyenziwe aka Composure nasimamani ilapho, and I think ngama numbers isazophakama kakhulu because as I'm recording this video it is above 200k views ku YouTube. Angwazi ama numbers aku Spotify na ku YouTube Music, but I think iya perform nje kakhulu. So I think uSimamaneke maybe intwana zimvusile Dustin, but uzophakamisa na just ukumention nje amagama azo already abantu sebayabuza ubani uKillbread, ubani oJ Khanzana, obani abaphifana noSimamane, but I think umuntu engifuna ukumbona ngempela ukuthi uzophakama uBlack because lezi ntwana I think ziskima noBlack or else crew yakhe la. So we are wondering ukuthi uBlack uzokhipha something this coming Friday because uSimamane ubekhiphe last week Friday, so silindeleke so ke siboneke mayiba khona lo diss track le response from uBlack, so yenze enye video. But anyway sekhona ku Twitter ethi speaker nawe, sibe khona ku TikTok speaker nawe shows, khona ku Facebook speaker nawe, sibe khona ku Twitch speaker nawe. Away, we out.